It's the new all 2021 Fairdale Taj. As you can see, I added a brass screw right here. I thought it looked nice, matching the chain. It's a Colt half-link chain. I always think half-links look a lot nicer. Definitely on a BMX. We'll run down through the parts and let you know what I got on it. Pretty much all bone stock, besides the chain. And I honestly say that's it. Besides also these little caps or the little brass screws here. They didn't have Phillip head. Normally these would be Phillip heads, but they only had flat head, so I just put it on there. It looks nice though. Honestly, like when you see the bike in a long view, you would see that little brass just right there, if you could see or not. It adds a lot of flavor to it. I wanted to add some more brass or gold screws or bolts, but I'm gonna have to specially order them online. Well, we'll go do the grips. The grips are Fairdale grips. I think these are called the Swan grips. Just basic Fairdale grips. They kind of move a little bit, these ridges here, because I've been riding it and it just kind of feels like once your hands get sweaty, the grips are going to be kind of slippery. I like the rubber Odyssey brakes, quick slick cable, Fairdale bars, Sunday stem, Fairdale that, Springfield brakes, Maxxis race tires. I put a little cap on the valve, half link chain, chromoly frame,